All right, here's a video to help you with yesterday's assignment. Again, we can meet together if you would like to go over this more, and I really hope you can hear my TV in the background. But all right, so Thursday's assignment was the Bohr diagram Bohr model practice. So the first thing, it says directions say for each element, write the total number of electrons on the line, then color the correct number of electrons for each orbit. Remember, fill the orbit closest to the nucleus first, but never exceed the number each orbit can hold. Check the periodic table to find how many electrons an element actually has. So remember, electrons equal number of protons, okay? And how do we find the number of protons? Is the atomic number equals the number of protons. And this is something that you will need to memorize and remember, okay? So they've already done the shells for you. So I've just pulled up a sample periodic table. And the first thing I'm going to find is I'm going to find sodium. So I'm looking for Na on the periodic table. All right, and there it is, number 11. So 11 means it has 11 protons. So I'm going to go back to my practice. I'm going to hit the draw button, and I'm going to use a color, maybe orange, okay? All right, so I know it has 11 electrons. So remember, your first shell can only have 2 electrons. So you only want to draw 2 electrons. So I'm going to draw 2 electrons. You could probably make this a little bigger. That might make it a little easier. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. All right. So 2. And then the next one, they can hold 8, correct? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That only gives me 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then I got to put 1 on the outermost shell. And that outermost shell is called your valence electrons. They're going to have something to do with when we talk about bonding this coming up week. Okay, all right. If you need more help with this, remember it's only 2 on the first shell, and then the rest of the shells each have 8. The next video is going to help you on Friday's assignment.